who wants to get the type of sufurias that I use. There are 10 pieces, so there are 5 sufurias and 5 lids. Inafunikia just perfectly. High advantage that I feel for me guys. Mtu asini judge ama asini misquote. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name's Awamaitha Maura. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for considering to come back and watch my videos. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, kindly guys, subscribe. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers and I'll be really grateful. So far we are at 417. I'm so happy, I'm so excited. You are moving so fast, and if you haven't watched my videos, kindly go back and watch them. So on today's video, I've been meaning to do it for the longest time, guys. I've been meaning to do it for the longest time, and I don't know, by the way, sijui kwa nini. As you can see here, I have a set of sufurias. I want to unbox with you guys, but I've already unboxed them, but I wanted to show you guys. Maybe there's someone who wants to get the type of sufurias that I use, and anashindwa, how do they look, how do they work, are they good? And on this video, I'm going to show you guys how many pieces they are inside, and how they look like, and how much I bought them. Are they good? Are they bad? How do I see them? I'm going to tell you all that, guys, in this video, and I'm going to show you guys how they look. So they are TC cookware and Regina, yes, and I think they are really nice. They come in different colors. They come in black, they come in gray, they come in red, yes, and also they come in, which color is this? Is it white or is it cream? I don't know, because for me I got gray and I thought they were really nice. There are how many pieces? There are 10 pieces, so there are 5 sufurias and 5 lids. So guys, let's see how they look like inside. So this is how the lids came looking like. The person that I bought from alinifungia hizi, so they come as jafungwa, so akanifungia. This is the lid. It looks like this. It's a flat lid, and that's one of the reasons that I love these sufurias, because of the lid. This is another lid. Inakaa hivyo. So guys, I think let's start with the biggest sufuria. This is how it looks like. This is the size of the sufuria. I think I really love it, because when you have guests, I think this one can fit for, like, I don't know, but I like it. This is the biggest of them all, and then this is the second one. This one, it looks like that. And also this is the third one. It's kind of a pan, and it's kind of a flat sufuria. I really love this one. I use it most of the time. This is the 4th size, and I like them, guys. What do you think? Kindly comment on the comment section. um how you feel about them. And this is the last piece. It looks like this. It really inakaa poa. It's really cute. I really love them. I don't know why. It's because nimekuwa nikitamani sana granite sufurias. Nilikuwa na zile non-stick, but most of them zisha change. They were black in color, but zingine ndani zisha kuanza kukua white. And nimekuwa tu nikisema I really need new sufurias, and here I am. I got a set of these granite ones, and I think they are really nice, guys. What do you think? Because as you can see, unaona venye kifuniko inafunikia just perfectly. I'm so much in love with them. Ukifunika tu inafunikia tu. Sorry guys, they have water because I've been using them. Nimekuwa nikitumia hizi za juu 3, so zimekuwa zikioshwa. But guys, I really love them. Ukifunikia tu inafunikika vizuri. Hivyo tu. And I think, guys, what do you think? Because for me, I really love them. I really love them. The only disadvantage that I feel for me guys, mtu asinijudge ama asini misquote. I didn't realize ningechukua yenye iko na kakitu kakushika, cause when you're cooking you must use something kushika cause ni moto, but for the lid haina shida. The only problem ni hii, but sioni shida ingine. And I think they are nice, guys. What do you think, guys? I think they are nice. For me, I feel like they are just perfect. I just love them so much. And if you're looking for such sufurias, I saw them. If you haven't watched my Kamukunji haul, kindly go back and watch. So siku mention price on the Kamukunji haul, but Kamukunji, they are going for the prices range from 8,000 to 14,000, I guess, with the type of sufuria that you want. For these ones, I got them for 9,000. Yes, because I am not the one who went to buy them. I sent someone, so I guess they were for 8,500, and then he charged me 500. Juu ya kumtuma, I guess. So I think ukizipeleka Kamukunji, maybe you can even get them for 8,000. Yes, 8,000. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, help a girl, support a girl, help us to fike 1,000, to 1,000. And if you happen to watch my video, kindly leave a like my videos. Help me to grow to small by small, and I'll grow because of you guys. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have enjoyed my video. I hope someone atakuwa zile za what am I saying? But I'm so happy. When I bought them, I'm also planning to get another set, but the set I'm looking forward to buy, niliuliza bei, and they are a bit expensive. I think they're going for 14,000, but they are really nice. And I think that's my next move. I'm going to get them. And yes, guys, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for my subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly support a girl. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm really begging you guys. Yes. So thank you.